at night was born to fight. Mythical, so mystical, think what you like. You could be the sword, the shield, defender of. Remember me, for my name is Perseus.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to Mixed Moto, and this is my first motovlog, and I'm really hoping this mic is actually picking up what I'm saying, because, oh, it's kind of cold, I can't even tell. Please, go down. Alright, but it feels kind of good out. It's about 6 o'clock, I think, right now, so, but, I've been working trying to get this mic set up in my helmet for a little while now, and it's been kind of stressful because my mic was messed up and I didn't know it was messed up. I bought it brand new. It's actually the Purple Panda, so I went ahead and bought a new one, and that's what I'm using now. And my friend Logan with the orange CBR, he got it hooked up and everything. So the mic ain't too loud. I don't think this mic has yet been on the channel yet. I've made so many videos. The video that I was making for it, for me to post it, so I've been trying to put a video of me restoring this bike. Actually, this is with the zombie letters all over it. It looked kind of dope, I guess. It was kind of like for the Halloween time, but I wanted to restore it and make it look basically brand new. So I got all new bearings, wiring harness, headlight assembly on it, new mirrors, new oil pan because I busted it. Long story short, I was working on it. I was drilling into the bike, trying to get the old like foot pegs off of it because the old bolts got stuck on it. So I was drilling into it and it fell and it hit the concrete and cracked the oil pan, which sucked a lot, so I had to buy a new one. I actually bought that one that night, or a new one that night. It was $80. Well, I guess it wasn't new. It was new to me, but it was used. It was about $80. So Curly gang. I was gonna pop more wheelie there, but I'm still learning my wheelies. I have my little front like harness likes to get all wobbly and stuff. So yeah, headed on to Logan. Gonna go ride with him. He just got a GoPro today. The GoPro here is 7 Black. Hopefully he can get a whole mic set up like I got, so we can start getting videos of him, me and him riding, me, him, and Tyler. Oh, we gotta turn turn signal on. Ready? Woo! So we done met up with frick, dang it, shit! We done met up with Logan. Man, I wish they can hear you. I don't know if they can actually. But alright, wave Logan. Wave. That's Logan on the orange CBR. We done met up with them. We're going riding now. We're gonna go towards a place called Smith Mountain Lake around here. We're gonna go ride and do some riding stuff. Just do a nice little Saturday cruise. Are you really? I don't, not yet. Why is this car braking? That's when you save gas mileage and you just cruise down it. You don't brake. Like, you don't have to go 35 and a 55 just to wait for this like hill up here or go down to the stop sign. Yeah, you're wearing out your brakes braking like that. I did a little wheelie earlier just to like put it up. Yeah, it wasn't too big. I just got it up. I was like, nah, I'll put it back down. It was like 2 seconds. Are you gonna do one? Do it for mixed meta? Alright. We gonna do that. Look at a little Civic. That's first. Right here. That wasn't bad. Yeah. Oh yeah, just let's let you know, Logan's forks are shot and his tires shot. So, I mean, dedication, I guess. That wasn't a bad wheelie though. You got, I guess, just, I mean, you got the next gear and you just got it up a little more. It didn't look too bad. Yeah, it wasn't too bad though. To have a tire, literally its tire is showing wire. Like it's got a little slit. And your forks are literally just shot, which the forks, honestly, it's not bad, but I'd be more worried about that tire. Oh yeah, he does have a new one coming in. What is it again? The Pirelli? So it's got the Pirelli tire. Actually, you should film that for the channel. Go get it on. I don't know, it's something. Use the GoPro, film it. Logan just got the GoPro here, 7 Black, exactly what I'm filming on right now. He's got it on his chest, you can see its weight. See his mount right there? It's probably, on right there. Look at that! Just send it. We need to burn them off, that's what you need to do with them. One like, and I'll do a burnout. Burnouts get sketchy though on those, because you just throw the bike like you like screw up anyway. There's so much power. There's so much power. You do it the wrong way, you'll get thrown off, or you'll really fast forward. I want to do a rolling burnout. That's what I want to do. It's your boy. See, I got a little wheelie. That wasn't bad. All this power in the CBRs, can't help it. It's so adrenaline. Sorry, I had a little height there. No, I love doing wheelies though. I don't know, something, it just gives you that like, it just makes your heart skip beat. Yeah. I would have laughed as a cop. Hey, short story real quick. Story time. Thank you, appreciate that. You remember the time I passed Austin on this bridge? Yeah, so ain't the brightest thing, but you know, kind of dope to get a dope shot. You're doing a wheelie on here. Do it. Oh, that was a really good wheelie. Yeah, I hope I got a good shot. So I guess today's wheelie day. We're not in Virginia. We're in Mexico. Mexico. Where are we going? The bike is dirty. I need to clean it. Here's Logan's piece of junk bike. Look at his forks. They shot. Ew. Way to take care of your bike, Logan. Logan. I need a thumbnail. What should my thumbnail be? Look, my fairing bolt. That's what happens. I need to adjust that. No, my bike's about to hit 12,000 miles in 6 miles. Yours count so fast, do they? I know. Dude, Tyler's bike's gonna have like 40,000 miles. That's sprocket count. He's only gonna go like 10 miles, 10,000 miles. How does it double or what does it do? The miles. Hey, if anybody local around Bedford County area right now, currently we're in Mexico, but anybody local in Bedford knows calibration, my boy Logan needs it. But yeah, we'll be back in Bedford maybe, I mean, how long is this ride? About 10-minute ride back to Bedford from Mexico. So, I mean, just hit us up, message me or something, I don't know. I'll put Logan's Instagram down here since he wrote my first motovlog. So there's Logan's Instagram down here somewhere if it makes it up there. Oh yeah, I got your Snapchat. I'll put a Snapchat down there too. Go out on Snapchat, Instagram. Oh, you want to? I can't see. What'd he do? See, cop starts right there. Oh, see, look, we're back in Bedford. Woo! I wanted to look too. I'd have been like, hey, shit, that's gotta do. But okay, real quick, Snapchat, look at Snapchat, Instagram is put on the screen. Okay, he wants to do something. Oh, I got you. One in Snapchat, Instagram right there. I got you. I'll see if I can do that. I don't know if I'll be able to. I'll put my Instagram down below. I'll put my Facebook down below. Go give me a follow on both of those and get updated when we post. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about these videos right here. I hope to start posting up more. This whole coronavirus has done mess things up and just things at the house. So I appreciate y'all watching and thank y'all for tuning in to my very first motovlog. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
She asking if I